Today I'm buying this forgotten 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale Limousine for just $99, and we're restoring it right away. It's massive, it's dusty, and it's exactly the kind of rescue I came for, so let's pull this royal beast back into daylight. They say only 7 were ever built. To find her here, after all these years. After 50 years, the greatest car in the world emerges from the darkness. Time respects nothing, not even the finest machine ever built. We age, and the things we treasure turn to dust. Here's the balance. It's all yours. "90 years she waited. Now, she finally breathes again."
That's good, hold it there. Double check the straps on the rear tire now.
She's finally here. Be very careful with her, gentlemen.
We will, sir. Let's get the wheels off.
They only built 7 of these. To work on one is to touch history itself. Rising on the lift, the true condition of the Royale is revealed. Decades of grease and rust coat this mechanical skeleton. We've spent thousands of hours just on the bodywork. Achieving this level of gloss on the original midnight blue paint takes incredible patience. At 55, he had seen his share of wear, much like the Royale itself. They called her the Royale. 80 years later, opening this hood still feels like opening a bank vault.
And gently up she goes. You can see the original coolant stains here, quite remarkable. This hoist makes the job much easier.
90 years of wear right here. The glass is clouded, the chrome is pitted, but the structure is sound. A careful restoration is needed.
The Royale was Ettore Bugatti's masterpiece, designed for kings. Few were ever built, and fewer still survive intact.
When restoring a vehicle of this magnitude, every component must be treated with the utmost care. The fenders alone weigh nearly half a ton.
This is where the real work begins. We have to be incredibly careful with the original factory sealant.
And there it is. The running board finally comes free.
Look at that, original mud still caked behind the trim.
When restoring a car like the Royale, every piece, including the windshield frame, must be handled with absolute care.
Ettore Bugatti intended the Royale for royalty. But for a man like this, the real beauty lies not the Bugatti Royale, a true masterpiece. Every tiny screw and imperfection tells the story of its careful preservation. A lifetime of work etched into his features. But even he knew the Bugatti demanded patience. When we started the restoration on the Type 41, the rear compartment alone took weeks to dismantle. When we found the Royale, the interior was barely recognizable. Decades of moisture had turned the exquisite carpet. It takes patience, years of it, to bring something this beautiful back to life. This isn't just a car, it's history. And history, well, it doesn't come apart easy. Here we see the true cost of time, the exquisite craftsmanship of the Bugatti, slowly yielding to the decades. For a car of this magnitude, the 1931 Royal, every component tells a story. Removing the gearbox is a delicate operation. She's seen better days, the old girl. But the corrosion tells a story. You can't just wipe away 80 years of history overnight. The Type 41 Royale is exceptionally rare. Removing the fuel tank requires patience and precision.
The Royale was Ettore Bugatti's masterpiece. But its true genius lay hidden beneath the polished exterior, in the sheer brutality of its engineering.
The Royale was Bugatti's masterpiece. Finding these original drums almost a century later is like discovering buried treasure. Ettore Bugatti called this the undisputed king of the road. Look at that frame. The 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, meticulously disassembled. Every one of the thousands of parts.
The air pressure has to be just right, otherwise you risk scratching the finish underneath. This dust is 80 years old.
This wasn't just about cleaning the engine. It was about revealing the history buried beneath decades of grime. It's history, and we have a duty to preserve every inch. You spend your life working on these machines, you start to see the soul inside the metal. 55 years I've worked on these engines. You learn to appreciate the details, the subtle imperfections. When you work on something this rare, you have to respect the history. Every detail matters. Look at that shine. The Royale represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. To restore it,
The Bugatti Royale, only 6 ever made. The brakes need meticulous care. This is the Type 41 Royale Limousine. To bring it back to life, we steer a sweep.
decades of grime hidden deep within the jams simply melts away under the high pressure.
It's in the details, the seams and the channels, where the real history is preserved.
This old leather holds the history of the Royale. We clean it not to erase the past, but to preserve its soul for the future.
The Royale's artillery wheels are notoriously difficult. This bath solution slowly lifts 8 years of grime without harming the original paint. These old beads really seize up. You need patience and the right leverage, but she finally let go.
The Royale is special. Only a handful were ever made. Keeping her running takes patience and the right touch.
The degreaser is essential here. We apply it under pressure, watching closely as the years of buildup begin to dissolve from the cast iron. Restoring a masterpiece like the Royale demands precision. Here, we spare no expense on the smallest details. The key is ensuring every passage gleams. We brush and rinse meticulously, making sure the brass shines through all the grime. You don't just restore a car like this, you preserve history. Every detail matters. Time wears on all things. But true beauty, like this Royale, is merely waiting to be rediscovered. This split here represents months of painstaking labor, from this dull, pitted surface to a mirror finish worthy of the Royale. Every bolt tells a story. Every surface must be flawless before the paint goes on. People don't make things like this anymore. Every piece tells a story.
A car like the Royale demands perfection. This final rinse removes every impurity before the polish.
Time leaves its mark on all of us. The key is how you carry the weight of those years. She's remarkable, almost 90 years old, and much of the original finish is still here, under the grime we removed.
Sanding back the decades of paint reveals the true craftsmanship hidden beneath. This isn't just a car, it's a legacy.
Achieving a surface worthy of a Royale requires endless patience. The guide coat reveals every imperfection.
After applying the filler, the real work begins. Sanding must be precise, removing the
1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, a masterpiece demanding nothing less than perfection in its restoration.
Bugatti Royale, a masterpiece of engineering. To restore it, we first had to strip away 8 decades of wear. They don't make them like the Royale anymore. It takes a steady hand to make the welds disappear.
This is the heart of the Royale. Every channel, every bolt face must be perfect.
Measuring the Royale's crankshaft requires the utmost care. This level of detail is what separates a good restoration from a true masterpiece. The valve train components for the 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale. Restoring a Royale is no small task. Every component, especially the cylinder head, requires this anymore. The Royale transmission requires a delicate touch, but it's built to last another 100 years. It was about honoring the original design. Now we can begin the reassembly. Getting this satin finish right takes patience. It has to be absolutely perfect, just like it was in 1931. It takes patience to bring something this beautiful back to life. A lot of patience. This is where the Bugatti truly comes alive again. The structural foundation finally receiving its deep satin coat.
Every spring, every pivot must be aligned with absolute precision, or the whole thing fails.
The Type 41 Royale, Ettore Bugatti's masterpiece. Only 7 were ever built, and this one demands nothing less than perfection. This guide coat reveals every subtle imperfection. It's a critical step in achieving that mirror finish we expect. The gap work on the Royale must be perfect, measured in mere millimeters. Anything less is simply unacceptable for a car of this caliber. When restoring a Royale, every detail matters. The masking alone takes weeks, ensuring the legacy of this masterpiece endures.
Honestly have seen one. The 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale. Only 7 were ever monitors, though legacy required.
They don't make them like this anymore. This Royale was my life's work. You don't just restore a car like this, you bring it back to life, layer by painstaking layer. People say these old cars have souls. I believe them. We spend years bringing them back to life. You can't rush this stage. Every millimeter has to be perfect before the final polish. They only made 7 of these. To bring it back to this condition, it takes patience and the right tools. It's the details that matter most on a car like this. Precision is everything when you're restoring a legend. The Royale is a culmination of everything Ettore Bugatti believed in. Bringing her back requires absolute precision. Few cars command such reverence. The Bugatti Royale's headlamps alone represent hundreds of hours of painstaking work. This is the engine bay of the 1931 Bugatti Royale. We've refinished it in these clean satin tones, ensuring every detail is dignified and orderly.
The rebuilt engine is lowered back into the deep, glossy black body. The monumental mechanical heart returning home.
75 years later, we finally had the chance to install the rebuilt gearbox. A perfect alignment for the Royale.
The driveline connection is paramount. Once the driveshaft assembly is restored, the hidden power path is complete.
Look at that. Absolutely perfect alignment. That's how Ettore wanted it done.
They called it the Royale for a reason. Only 7 were ever built, and this one, chassis.
Easy now, just a few more millimeters. Watch the clearance on the firewall. Perfect.
The Bugatti Royale demands perfection. Every curve, every reflection had to be exactly as it was in 31. Fenders settle into place on the deep, glossy black body of the 1931. She's finally complete. Took us nearly 3 years to get the running boards just right.
31 Royale redefined luxury, a commanding presence wherever it appeared.
Securing the hood panels on the Royale requires a precise touch. Every detail must align perfectly on this masterpiece.
It took us 18 months just to get the seals right on the windshield. But seeing it finished, that makes the trouble worth it.
This is what sets the Royale apart. The craftsmanship had to be flawless.
Installation isn't just about quiet, it's about preserving history with every measured cut. Elegance like this, it demands perfection. Every piece must be flawless. They called it the Royale, and for good reason. Every detail, from the polished gauges to the perfect again. It took time, but it was worth it. Cream cloth we could find. The tension has to be absolutely perfect on a car like this.
And that is finally where she belongs. Took long enough?
They called it the Royale, a car built not for speed, but for presence. It's a privilege to simply sit here.
The Royale was quite literally that, a car built for royalty. Every detail from the engine to the Ds.
The restored interior door panels are reinstalled into the deep glow captured in a moment. Then, the undeniable presence of the... A car like this isn't just metal and paint. It's history, brought back to life.
Ignoring this masterpiece. Now, the subtle pulse of the exhaust.
As it crosses the threshold, the legendary Type 41 reveals its true colors in the sunlight.
Only 7 of the Type 41 Royale were ever built, making this particular model one of the rarest jewels in automotive history.
Only 7 of the Type 41 Royale were ever built. This one,
The Bugatti Type 41 was known simply as the Royale.
A look inside the Royale reveals a world of restored elegance. Polished wood, supple leather.
The 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, a masterpiece of engineering, cruising effortlessly along the quiet country road.
Absolute best, regardless of cost.
Built for royalty, it remains, even today, the most ambitious automobile ever conceived.
you don't just look at a car like this, you experience history. It's a testament to what craftsmanship used to be.
If you want to see more forgotten legends like this 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale Limousine brought back to life, hit subscribe and stay with the build. Comment the next classic you want rescued, because this Royal Bugatti is back on the road and we're only getting started.